Here's a quick update on the Jeep Cherokee work. I've removed all of the seats and all of the carpeting to inspect the rust situation. Well, as you can see, there's quite a few penetrations, quite a few holes on this side. I was kind of happy to see all of this. So many quarters. Hopefully that'll help me pay for some of the rust repair that this is going to need. That is going to need some attention. But that's just the driver's side. Passenger side, though, is a whole different story. You can see we've got a hole right there below the seatbelt connection. But then the front passenger pan, ooh, there's a lot of light coming through there. And it gets even worse looking at the driveline tunnel here. That's the catalytic converter. It's in there. Some more of the exhaust was trying to join us inside of the passenger compartment. I think I'm going to clean this up a bit and cut away all the rusted parts that I can, probably with a pair of scissors. Yeah, this seat support though, this seat bracket is going to have to be completely replaced. Oh yeah, we got a few more little holes up front. Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. Alright, now we can see the rest of the exhaust system. Pretty cool. Holy crap. I know this piece here is about ready to be pulled off by hand. Yeah, she's gonna take a lot of work to get through all this rust. I wish both sides looked like the driver's side, because that looks like I could easily patch it with a few bits of, I don't know, 18 gauge sheet metal or something, maybe even something heavier than that. The passenger side is like, that's a lost cause. There's nothing to connect to. This whole thing needs to come out. Well, it looks good from afar, but it's far from good.